Good morning, student. I am your computer teacher Shilpa Rathod. Today we are going to start lesson number 10, Computer Virus. I have divided this chapter in two parts. Let us see the part 1. Inside the chapter we are going to study computer virus, harms caused by computer viruses, how does computer virus spread, threats to computer security, types of computer viruses, protecting our computer, antivirus software, using antivirus software and updating antivirus software. Now let us see computer virus. Now the first computer was the Creeper virus that was detected on ARPANET in the early 1970. Now ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Fine. It was used by US Department. This was the first network. Okay. A computer virus is an unwanted malicious program. Malicious means what? Dangerous program which is designed to cause damage to computer on a large scale. Now, computer virus refers to a program which damages computer system. It may destroy our files, erase the data files. Now, what is computer actually? The computer is an electronic machine which executes a program. Now what is program? Program is nothing but the set of instructions. Fine. If the programming instructions provided to the computer damages the data of the computer and attacks the important files, then this program is unsafe and risky. Such a program is known as computer virus. Okay. As the human body gets infected through the viruses, the computer can also get infected by the program viruses. The way virus spread from one human to another, the computer virus also transmit from one computer to another by making its copy. Fine. So when the computer virus start working, means when it gets activated, that is called as activation of virus. Fine. Now virus stands for Vital Information Resource under SIS. Virus stands for Vital Information Resources under SIS. Now let us see the harms caused by computer viruses. Now virus harms the computer in many different ways. The damage on the computer depends on the type of virus it is infected with. Some common problems that occur when the computer is infected are as follows. Like there is a decrease in the speed of the computer. There is unexplained crashing of the hard disk. New programs cannot be installed. If you want to install any new program or any new application, okay, it cannot be installed. Some program might not launch. Internet access is blocked for some websites. Computer may take long time to start. One is unable to open the files or folders. Files or folders are not found on the hard disk. Desktop setting change unexpectedly. Hard disk run out of free space. This happens when the virus makes unlimited copies of itself. These are the caused or harms which is caused by the computer virus, through which we can easily understand that our computer get infected by computer viruses or by viruses. Fine. Now how does a computer virus spread? Now let us see the mode of spreading of computer virus. Now these are the following are the ways that a computer virus spread. First one is the infected flash drive or disk. Means what? When you are using any infected pen drive or any infected CD Fine. In that case, your computer get virus. Fine. Now flash drives like pen drive are the main cause of spreading viruses. Pen drives are used to transfer data from one computer to another. A virus can also be copied from one computer to other when the user copies infected files using pen drives or flash drives. Second one is the email attachment. Now viruses also spreads through email. Now email attachment is a file that is sent along with an email. An email may contain an infected file attachment. Virus can spread if the user opens and download an infected email attachment. Okay. Third one is the infected website. Now, there are thousands of insecure websites on the internet that can infect the computer with viruses. These websites are developed to spread viruses. Now, the virus is transferred to the user's computer when this material or any application is downloaded. Fine. So these websites may access the computer automatically when the user visits them. Okay. Now the fourth one is the networks. Now many schools, offices, companies have their computers interconnected with each other. Now viruses can spread to other computers if an infected computer is connected to a network. So these are the ways or media through which computer virus can spread in our computer. Fine. Now the next topic is threats to computer security. Okay. Now threat means what? Threat is nothing but the danger. Okay. Or any damage. Fine. Or any hazard. Now computer security is the protection of computer system from the theft or damage to the hardware, software or the information on them. Beyond the computer virus, there exist other threats to computer security. Let us study about these threats. Okay. Now the first one is the malware. Okay. Now malware stands for malicious software. Okay. This is specifically designed to gain access or damage a computer without the knowledge of the owner. Malware includes computer viruses like worms, Trojan horses, spywares, okay, rootkits, and so many viruses are there. Okay. Malware is the general term covering all the different types of threats to your computer safety. Now let us see the Trojan horse or Trojan. Trojan horses is one of the most complicated threat among all. Trojan horses do not replicate themselves, but they can be destructive. Unexpected changes to computer settings and unusual activity, even when the computer should be idle, are strong indication that a Trojan is residing on the computer. Okay. So this may be destructive for our computer. We cannot identify that a Trojan horse, that virus enters in our computer. Fine. But Trojan horse is the most complicated threat. Now let us see the worms. Now this is one of the most harmless threat which is designed only to spread. Okay. It does not alter our system but it can spread from one computer to another computer within a network or even the internet. Okay, the computer security risk here, it is like it uses up our computer hard disk space by replicating itself. Replicating means what? Duplication. Okay, and or slows down the data transmission on the internet due to the consumption of the bandwidth. Now, what is the difference between Trojan horse and worms? In Trojan horses, it do not replicate themselves. Okay, and in worms, what will happen? Whatever program is there, okay, it gets replicated. Okay, it gets duplicate and it takes the space of your hard disk. Okay, next is the spyware. Now this is designed to spy on the victim's computer. Okay, mostly the use of this spyware is to know what our daily activity is so that the attacker can make use of our information. It tracks our activity on the internet and transmit the information in the background to someone else. Spyware can also gather information about email address, password, and credit card number. Means it may hack our account, okay? It may hack our password and maybe misused. It may hack our account and hack our money also, stole our money also. Okay, this is what the spyware. So in the next lecture, we'll see the remaining topic. Fine. Thank you, student, and have a nice day.